Dear student, today we are in our point test for ozone. ઓઝોન ની ટેસ્ટ ઓઝોન કઈ રીતે ચેક કરવું. ટેલિંગ ઓફ મર્ક્યુરી એટલે મર્ક્યુરી સાથે રિએક્શન કરવાથી ઓઝોનની ટેસ્ટ કરી શકાય. પ્યોર મર્ક્યુરી ઇઝ અ મોબાઇલ લિક્વિડ, વહન પામી શકે તેવું લિક્વિડ છે. મર્ક્યુરી મેટલ છે. when brought in contact with ozone its mobility decreases and it start sticking to glass surface. એટલે મર્ક્યુરી લિક્વિડ છે, મોબાઈલ છે, વહી શકે એવું છે, પણ જ્યારે ઓઝોન સાથે રિએક્ટ કરશે એટલે ગ્લાસ ઉપર ચોંટી જાય તેવું મર્ક્યુરી ઓક્સાઇડમાં કન્વર્ટ થાય. Yes, forming of type of tail due to dissolution of mercury oxide, suboxide in mercury. Forming a type of tail due to dissolution of mercury suboxide. The mercury when react with ozone convert into mercury oxide. Flex means movable. હવે સ્ટિક ગ્લાસ ઉપર ચોંટી જશે અને ટેલ પૂંછડી જેવું આપશે. On the basis of it we can define some test of the ozone. Now estimation of ozone. When ozone react with an excess of potassium iodide solution with a borate buffer having a point pH 9.2 having buffer solution. જ્યારે ઓઝોન છે એક્સેસ પોટેશિયમ આયોડાઇડ સાથે solution of potassium iodide with water react with the excess ozone gives the O2 plus iodine and potassium hydroxide 2 mole of KOH. It gives buffer solution where iodine is liberated, which can be a saturated solution of sodium thiosulfide. Now sodium tetrasulfate. Iodine when occurred iodine react with Na2H2O3 5H2O. Sodium thiosulfate સાથે react કરે, give sodium iodide and sodium tetra thiosulfate. On the basis of it we can determine our ozone's amount. Depletion of ozone layer. In our earth crust last layer is of ozone. Experiment have shown that nitrogen oxide particularly nitrogen oxide, nitric oxide combine very rapidly with ozone, and there is thus the possibility nitrogen oxide emitted from the our system of supersonic jet aeroplanes exhaust system. એટલે પ્લેનના ધુમાડામાંથી NO ગેસ નીકળે છે, એ ઓઝોનના લેયર સાથે રિએક્ટ કરી NO2 ગેસમાં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય, એટલે એનું ડેપ્લેશન થઈ જાય, એટલે ઓઝોન ખવાઈ જશે. Slowly depleting the concentration of the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. આપણા upper atmosphere માં ઓઝોન હોય છે, તો સુપરસોનિક જેટ પ્લેન વેન પાસ તેના એક્ઝોસ્ટ માંથી નાઇટ્રિક ઓક્સાઇડ નીકળે, ઓઝોન સાથે રિએક્ટ કરી NO2 અને O2 માં કન્વર્ટ કરશે. Another threat of this ozone layer is probably posed by the use of freons which are used in aerosol and fridge and refrigerator એરોસોલ સ્પ્રે આપણે સ્પ્રે કરીએ છીએ એમાં ફ્રીઓન્સ યુઝ થાય છે, ક્લોરોફ્લોરોકાર્બન, which is also react with ozone and convert into oxygen. That is called the depletion of a ozone layer. Now ozone layer over. Now compound of the sulfur. Compound of the sulfur. So first of all is the H2S. Very important compound of the sulfur is hydrogen sulfide H2S preparation. Kipps apparatus. આ એક વેસલ છે H2S બનાવવા માટેનું. It's like this. In the chemistry lab which is available. In this apparatus we are taking mixture of ferrous sulfide and sulfuric acid. FeS is insoluble in water. When it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, convert into ferrous sulfate and gives hydrogen sulfide gas. And hydrogen sulfide gas we can અહીંથી આ મિક્સર ફિલઅપ કરવાનું. અહીં ટેપ હોય છે. It gives hydrogen sulfide gas. This is Kipps apparatus. Property. Hydrogen sulfide is colorless gas with rotten egg smell. સડેલા ઈંડા જેવી વાસ આપે છે. Moderately soluble in water. એટલે બહુ વધારે નહીં, મીડિયમ. વોટરમાં soluble છે, but solubility decrease with increase in temperature. Yes, H2S is gas. તો કોઈ પણ ગેસ હોય વોટરમાં ડિઝોલ્વ થાય તો લો ટેમ્પરેચર હોય તો સોલ્યુબિલિટી હાઈ હોય, પણ ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ જાય તો સોલ્યુબિલિટી લેસ હોય છે. H2S, it gives black precipitate with lead acetate CH3 C O twice Pb is lead acetate. When it reacts with hydrogen sulfide, gives PbS lead sulfide and 2 mole of acetic acid. Lead sulfide is insoluble in water, so it gives precipitate, black color na precipitate આપશે. Now reducing behavior of H2S. Reducing behavior means itself experiences oxidation. પોતાનું ઓક્સિડેશન થાય પણ બીજાનું રિડક્શન કરશે. So which is called a reducing property. Act as a strong reducing agent as it decomposes evolving hydrogen. H2S with sulfur dioxide. So here 2 mole of H2S gives evolving hydrogen. 2 mole of H2S plus sulfur dioxide in the moisture. In the presence of moisture. Moisture લખેલું છે એટલે ભેજ. 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, so 2H2O. 1 plus 2 means 3 mole of sulfur. Minus 2 into 0. Here plus 4 into 0. Itself experiences oxidation. SO2 માં સલ્ફરનું શું થાય? Reduction. Now FeCl3, ferric chloride, which is yellow in color. When we pass H2S gas in the solution of ferric chloride, so here redox reaction occurs and gives a green colored ferric chloride. FeCl3 is yellow, but FeCl2 is green. Here 2 mole of HCl and sulfur. -2 into 0 means oxidation. So reducing agent કોનું reduction કરે Fe+3 is converted into Fe+2 reduction, and this reaction is a redox. Now sulfur dioxide, SO2. Preparation of the sulfur dioxide. When sulfur comes contact with air or oxygen, gives or burn in presence of oxygen gives sulfur dioxide. Sulfur or sulfur containing compound, when burns in presence of air, in air oxygen is present, on burning it gives sulfur dioxide. By reaction of metal sulfite with dilute hydrochloric acid, this one is laboratory method. Na2SO3 is sodium sulfite. When react with 2 mole of HCl gives 2 mole of NaCl, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen as H2O, and removal of SO2 gas. Similarly, bisulfite also give SO2 with dilute HCl. Sodium bisulfite with HCl gives NaCl, then H2O and sulfur dioxide. But these are both laboratory method. By heating sulfide, metal sulfide કે જમીનમાંથી અર્થ ક્રસ્ટમાંથી મળતી ઓર in excess of air, it also gives sulfur dioxide. એટલે સલ્ફાઇડ વાળી કોઈ પણ ઓર હોય derived from earth crust, when we are heating with oxygen, so it gives metallic sulfide converted into metallic oxide and gives sulfur dioxide gas. By this method SO2 obtained in large scale. Industries ની અંદર જ્યારે સલ્ફાઇડ વાળું ઓર ઓક્સાઇડમાં કન્વર્ટ થાય ત્યારે લાર્જ સ્કેલ ઉપર આપણને SO2 આપે છે. Now properties of sulfur dioxide. Colorless gas with pungent smell. Pungent smell means આપણે ગમે નહીં તેવી. SO2 colorless gas છે અને આપણે ગમે નહીં તેવી વાસ આપે છે. It is heavier than air. આપણી air કરતા ભારે છે. Why? In the air, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium. આના molecular mass 32, 28, 2, 4. આનું 64 molecular mass હોય છે. So which is heavier than air, highly soluble in water. Yes, SO2 comes contact with water, so highly soluble and convert into sulfurous acid. Yes, sulfur is non-metal, so oxide of non-metal should be acidic. So SO2 is acidic oxide and dissolve in water forming sulfurous acid, not sulfuric. SO3 waterમાં dissolve થાય તો sulfuric acid, but SO2 dissolve થાય તો sulfurous acid. Now reducing nature, itself experiences oxidation. બીજાનું reduction કરશે, પોતાનું oxidation થાય. SO2 having oxidation number +4 convert into sulfate having +6 oxidation number, itself experiences oxidation. But orange colored dichromate solution react with SO2, here oxidation number of chromium +6 convert into +3, which is green in colored. Now permanganate, oxidation number +7 convert into +2. Purple color is converted into Mn+2. Fe+3 is yellow in color, convert into Fe+2, which is green. એટલે ડાયક્રોમેટ પરમેંગેનેટ અને ફેરિકનું રિડક્શન કરશે. સો રિડ્યુસિંગ નેચર કહેવાય. The above reaction are not given by CO2. So they are used to distinguish between SO2 and CO2. The difference here. એટલે SO2 આ બધી રિએક્શન આપે છે, but CO2 is not giving these three reaction. એટલે CO2 છે ડાયક્રોમેટને Cr+3 માં કન્વર્ટ નહીં કરે. Like this, MnO4 is never converting into Mn+2 by CO2. Fe+3 never converts into Fe+2 by CO2. This is distinguished between SO2 and CO2. એ બે વચ્ચેનો સેપરેશન આપે છે. Now, oxidizing nature means itself experiences reduction, so which is act as oxidizing agent with strong reducing agent. Suppose H2S is taken, hydrogen sulfide, so convert into sulfur, so that is the oxidation. So SO2 itself convert into sulfur, itself experiences reduction. So H2S નું શું થાય? Oxidation. Now halide, not another but only bromide and iodide, convert into bromine and iodine. So -1 into 0 means oxidation. Oxidizing agent point છે કોણ સાથે? Strong reducing agent સાથે. This point is in our book. We discussed about manufacturing of sulfuric acid. We discussed. Now we are going to property of sulfuric acid. Here, property of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a colorless. Sulfuric acid ने कोई कलर होतो नहीं. Dense, एकदम thick, thin नहीं, एकदम thick liquid છે. Oily liquid, oil જેવો. Specific gravity 1.84 gram per milliliter. It means when we take 1 milli sulfuric acid, so mass will be 1.84 at 298 Kelvin temperature. The acid freezes at 283 Kelvin. Here 273 cut करो, એટલે 10 degree Celsius આવશે. એટલે 10 degree Celsius થી નીચે solid હોય છે. And boils at 611 Kelvin. Sulfuric acid 611 Kelvin temperature पर boil થશે. It dissolves in water with evolution of large quantity of heat. એટલે બહુ carefully sulfuric acid water ના contact માં આવે એટલે it gives an aqueous solution with high heat releases. આંખ દાજી જાય, ચામડી ઉપર દાજી જાય, બહુ ધ્યાન રાખવું પડે in the dilution. The chemical reaction of sulfuric acid are as a result of following characteristics. Sulfuric acid ના chemical reaction નીચેના factor ને કારણે જોવા મળે છે. Low volatility, કારણ કે boiling point, water નું boiling point 373 Kelvin, 100 degree Celsius છે, જ્યારે sulfuric acid નો 611 Kelvin છે. The volatility, the converting into gaseous phase, nature is very less. Strong acidic character, the H2SO4 easily releases H plus ion. Strong affinity for water, like great attraction toward water. Ability of an oxidizing agent in aqueous solution. Oxidizing agent means itself experiences reduction. Strong oxidizing agent. Sulfuric acid ionizes into two steps. એટલે સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડમાંથી H પ્લસ રિલીઝ થાય એ બે સ્ટેપમાં થશે. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ sulfuric acid gives one H plus ion releases, gives H3O plus and HSO4 minus ion. Here equilibrium constant. First H3O plus HSO4 minus upon H2O and H2SO4. Upper part is high. Lower part करता upper part 10 times more છે, like product more, reactant less. Value of Ka whenever high, it means product is high, ion is high, so acidic nature is very high. But after removal of first H plus ion, એટલે neutral molecule હતો, એમાંથી એક H plus easily release થાય, હવે negative ion બની જાય, પછી releasing nature of second H plus ion is very less. So second ionization constant is only 1.2 10 raised to minus 2, means 0.012, very low. The larger the value of Ka1, first ionization constant, means that 10 કરતા વધારે છે. Sulfuric acid is largely dissociated. એનો મિગલિંગ એ થાય કે સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડ ખૂબ જ વધારે એમાઉન્ટમાં H plus and HSO4 minus આપે છે. It gives maximum amount of H plus and HSO4 minus ion. Greater the value of dissociation constant, like Ka ની value, dissociation constant ની value high, means very strong acid. Sulfuric acid forms two series of salt, normal sulfate salt and bisulfate. Such as sodium sulfate means Na2SO4 and copper sulfate means CuSO4, and acid sulfate like sodium hydrogen sulfate, otherwise bisulfate. એટલે two ટાઈપના સોલ્ટ આપે છે, સલ્ફેટ એન્ડ બાયસલ્ફેટ. Sulfuric acid, because of its low volatility, can be used in manufacturing of a more volatile acid from their corresponding salt. એટલે sulfuric acid ની volatility less છે, એટલે એના કરતા more volatile, એટલે easily જે ગેસમાં કન્વર્ટિબલ હોય એવા એસિડ બનાવી શકાય એના અનુરૂપ સોલ્ટમાંથી. When we take a sodium fluoride, 2 mole. So 2 mole of sodium fluoride plus sulfuric acid gives 2 mole of hydrofluoric acid, then Na2SO4. When we take NaCl, sodium chloride, so it gives hydrochloric acid and sodium sulfate. When we take sodium nitrate salt with sulfuric acid gives Na2SO4 and 2 mole of nitric acid. NaCl with sulfuric acid gives sodium bisulfate, otherwise hydrogen sulfate, and hydrochloric acid, where N is a metal. Now potassium nitrate with the sulfuric acid gives potassium bisulfate and nitric acid. sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent, easily water absorbing છે, water પ્રત્યે great attraction છે, water absorber છે, એટલે એને dehydrating agent કહેવાય. Many wet gases, ઘણા બધા ભેજવાળા ગેસ, moisturous gas, can be dried up by passing them through sulfuric acid. જે કોઈ પણ ભેજવાળો moisturous gas, when we pass throughout the sulfuric acid, the moist will be removed from there, provided the gases do not react with acid. But necessary is that કે જે ભેજવાળો ગેસ છે it not should be react with sulfuric acid, otherwise reaction occurs. એટલે જે ગેસને ડ્રાય કરવો છે એ ગેસ સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડ સાથે reacting ના હોવો જોઈએ. Sulfuric acid removes water from organic compound. It is evident by its chilling action of carbohydrate. Sucrose means sugar. Sugar is a carbohydrate. Carbon with hydrate water. When we dissolve into concentrated sulfuric acid, gives 12 mole of carbon and 11 mole of water. Now oxalic acid, H2C2O4, in the presence of sulfuric acid. Actually, oxalic acid is like this. In the presence of sulfuric acid, OH and H, removal of water, CO and CO2 occurs, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid, moderately strong, medium, बहु खास नहीं. गरम sulfuric acid, hot, moderately strong oxidizing agent. In this respect, it is intermediate between phosphoric acid and nitric acid. Phosphoric acid करता more, but nitric acid करता less. Acidic છે. Sulfuric acid is more acidic than phosphoric acid but less than nitric acid. Both metals and non-metals are oxidized by concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid easily oxidizes the metal and non-metal, which is reduced to sulfur dioxide. Itself convert into SO2 gas. Here you can see copper with concentrated sulfuric acid gives copper sulfate, 2 mole of water and sulfur dioxide, SO2 gas. Yes, this is our balance equation. Here should be SO2. Copper 0 into plus 2 experiences oxidation. Sulfur itself experiences reduction. પોતાનું reduction એટલે oxidizing agent કહેવાય. Now 3 mole of sulfur with concentrated sulfuric acid. So it gives sulfur into plus 4 oxidation. Itself convert into, itself experiences reduction but sulfur oxidation करसे. Carbon with concentrated sulfuric acid gives carbon 0 into plus 4 oxidation of carbon and itself experiences reduction. Plus 6 into plus 4 means reduction. KBr, salt of potassium KBr with concentrated sulfuric acid gives H with Br, HBr and potassium bisulfate. Hydrobromic acid with sulfuric acid gives bromine oxidized into bromine. Minus 1 into 0 means oxidation. Here plus 6 into plus 4 means reduction. It gives this type of product. Means concentrated sulfuric acid react with acid metal and non-metal both. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.